they now give max financing up to 1 million already. So this is a very huge upgrade. Last time it's not to up 1 million. So for some of you, have you actually followed my Facebook page? I did share a bit about our budget 2026 for Malaysia and just highlight a few things that I find that it was valuable. Of course, there are so many things that happened in budget 2026. So many things were announced, but we focus a bit more to the loan part. First one is SJKP. If some of you know, this is technically a
100% loan.
Yes, housing credit guarantee scheme is double up to 20 billion for 2026. Meaning that the government wants
encourage people to buy house, first-time house.
So to help out some of the people, help out the citizens to own their first house, that they can eligible to get 100% loan.
So they actually want us to actually own a property and also maybe like rural areas like to encourage them to come out to the city to work.
Of course, look at the good side. A lot of people say, oh, the bad side is property oversupply and whatnot. But let's look at the brighter side, meaning that the government has come up with an initiative that enables for youngsters or people who have not purchased their first home. It's now easier for you to get your first home, and then instead of renting, you can own a home right now as your own. So these are very good initiatives from the government. And then we just talk something related as well. LPPSA. This one is for government agencies, Koperasi. They now give max financing up to 1 million already. So this is a very huge upgrade. Last time it's not to up 1 million, and then normally last time it's only allowed for one house for LPPSA. But what it means LPPSA, right? Meaning that a government agency, government sector staff can actually apply up to 1 million now. But you can apply for 2 housing loans as well. And then LPPSA, good thing is lower interest.
Yes, definitely. I've met with a few clients before that they actually have LPPSA loans before. Because at time they actually wanted to like refinance over, so they actually asked me for some advices. But it's good to hear that the amount is up to 1 million, which means the government actually appreciates them and also giving them chance to actually get better homes.
And then to help you to invest into homes as well, right? A lot of people say, oh, the homes are only probably like the rich can invest. Now, as a public staff, you can also apply now. So actually, it helps out a lot. You think about it, like a doctor or even like a public government server, now they can apply for 1 million as is one of the benefits for them. And because in Malaysia, we have a lot of government staff. Think about it, this 1 million, it's a huge factor. It's almost double if I'm not wrong. So think about it, it just helps the economy create more opportunity.
Yes. And
then when people say, hey, what do you think about 2026 property market? I actually think it's good because it's such initiative. But of course, the 1 million and above property might be a bit harder to sell. But those properties that are below 1 million, hey, all these are all good initiatives.
Kind of think of fact, this new government, they actually give a lot of benefit to the government sector because first of all, their salary pay rise. This property loan is actually higher and a lot more other benefits, man. This is something very good, very good.
So actually, I think this is a good year for Malaysia for 2026.